Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Children, last class we discussed about place value chart of a 3-digit number and their how to write their number names. I appreciate all my loving children for doing your homework very clearly and very neatly. I appreciate your parents also for supporting you. So children, I hope you understand that place value chart and how to write their number name. So children, in this class we are going to discuss about of a 3-digit number and how to represent the 3-digit number on a abacus.
Topics are representing 3-digit numbers on the abacus. You already studied 2-digit numbers on the abacus. So here we are going to study representing 3-digit numbers on the abacus. Next one is expanded form of 3-digit number. You already studied expanded form of 2-digit numbers. So in this topic we are going to study expanded form of 3-digit numbers. So first of all we can discuss about representing 3-digit numbers on the abacus. First one, I wrote according to their place values. First is ones place, then tens, then hundreds. So in ones place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write here 4. In tens place how many beats? 1, 2. Then in hundred place how many beats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. Ones place I wrote according to their place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. In ones place how many beats? 1, 2, 3. I will write here 3. Next one. Tens place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In hundred place how many beats? 1. Okay. Nice. In ones place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will write here 7. Next, tens place how many beats are there? 1, 2. In hundred place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one. I wrote according to their place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So in ones place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write here 5. In tens place how many beats are there? No beats. So what we will write? 0. If there is no beats, then we will write 0. Next one. 100 place. How many beats are there in 100 place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next one is 1000. How to represent 1000 on a abacus? As you already studied that the greatest 3-digit number. Which is the greatest 3-digit number? That is 999. So when we add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, we will get smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. Okay, so right, so listen here. When we add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, we get the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. So we want to represent the greatest 3-digit number on the abacus. As you already know that greatest 3-digit number is 999. So count the beads in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will write here 9. Next, count the beads in 100 tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, count the beads in 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get the greatest 3-digit number, that is 999 plus 1 equal to, represent here this also. We want to represent this in the abacus. So in ones place count the beads. There is no beads. So what will write? 0. And in tens place there is no beads. We will write 0. And in hundreds place also no beads. We will write 0. And in thousands place one beads is there. So what will write? 1. So we get the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. Then next we are going to study about expanded form of a 3-digit number. As you already studied the expanded form of 2-digit number, in this topic we are going to study expanded form of 3-digit numbers. First example is 367. How we will write here? First of all, I will write the place values of each digit. Ones, tens, hundreds. So what will write first? 3 is in which place? 100. So what will write? 3 hundreds plus tens place. What is the number? 6 tens plus in ones place. What is the number? 7 ones. So what will write here? 300s means 300 plus 6 tens means 6 into 10, that is 60, plus 7 1 means 7 into 1, 7. Okay, next one. 189. First we will write according to their place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So in hundreds place, what is the number? 1 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 9 ones. So again what will write? 100s means 1 into 100, that is 100, plus 8 tens means 8 into 10, that is 80, plus 9 1 means 9 into 1, 9. Okay, next is 472. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So what is in hundreds place? 4 hundreds plus what is in tens place? 7 tens plus what is in ones place? 2 ones. Again 400s means 400 plus 7 tens means 7 into 10 70 plus 2 ones means 2 into 1 2. Okay, next one 985 ones tens hundreds. So what number is in hundreds place? 900s plus what number is in tens place? 8 tens plus what number is in ones place? 5 ones equal to 900s means 900 plus 8 times means 8 into 10 80 plus 5 ones means 5 into 1 5. Okay, thank you.